You're listening to Mitch Davis for your AM, FM, Internet Radio, KNAP.
Thought this might be kind of interesting. Look at this storm coming. Wow. You can sure feel the cold air from the rain from it. Very interesting. And this is the view from my backyard. Not near as bad looking, but it's right above my house. There's a lot of wind in it, so I wanted to show everybody. Whew, that air is cold. I had to come back in the house because it just got too cold. That wind is like blowing like at 20-30 miles an hour at times, and dang, it's cold. I had to mute the television because of it's against ASCAP law. You can't have commercials because that's copyrighted protected, so you got to be careful even what's in your background because it's against the law. So I'm shining this through my storm door. Hope it doesn't get too bad reflection back. You can see that dark cloud there. This thing's really moving here. There's a lot of wind up there, and what's funny is right there you can see a little bit of a rotation. We normally here in Idaho do not get thunderstorms, and we don't get tornadoes very often. They are something that we just don't get. But I wanted to show that to everybody. 10 minutes ago, the sun was shining. A beautiful day, warm. Not now. Oh, as I say, wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. Yeah, I agree. That is something else. That is something else. I'm looking, see if that rotation is still there. No. The rotation quit. There's no more rotation in that cloud. Darn it. Thought I might get to see a tornado in the air. Or a funnel. I guess I call them funnels. Unless they hit the ground. But, very interesting. Okay, gang. Catch you guys later.